Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys on how to add fruit safely to your cake, like fresh fruit to your cake safely. So if you're ever seen one of those really nice fresh cakes with fresh fruit in it, today I'm showing you how to do that safely. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you wash with water, and I like to add some vinegar to it to disinfect it a little bit. And then you want to make sure you slice it into tiny bits. You don't want big chunks of fruit because you want it to be manageable in your cake and for your customers to be able to enjoy it. So once you've done that, you want to make sure there is no water on it. You can even dab it with tissue if you want. And then it's time to prep your cake layers. So what I like to do is cut your cake layers into like leveled, like level it basically, and then you're going to prep it by adding your whatever it is you add. I like to add cake syrup to mine. So what you don't want to do is to add your fruit directly on top of your cake, because this is like a recipe for disaster, because it is going to slide. At the end of the day, when you're done decorating your cake, it is going to be sliding around, and that can be really messy. So what you want to do is to first put a layer of cream on top of your cake and then spread that around. And then you want to create a dam, like you want to add a filling. In this case, your filling are fresh fruits. Regardless of what kind of fresh fruits you want to use, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, so you want to make a dam and add your fresh fruits, and then on top of that you want to add a dollop of icing, and then you want to spread it. Basically, you're sealing the fruit into the cake with the icing. What you want to remember here is that you want to tell your customers to consume it within 4 days, and they want to keep it refrigerated. So if you like my tips and tricks, give me a thumbs up.